Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by launching the Snip tool. Press Win plus Shift plus S to capture immediately. Choose rectangular, freeform, window, or full screen so your selection matches the goal. Once captured, click the notification or paste from clipboard into the editor to avoid losing the image. You want a clean base because precise edits are easier from a single, well-composed snip. Make sure to save a copy first. This preserves the original while you experiment with markup and crop tools. You now refine the image. Start with crop to frame the subject tightly and lock the aspect ratio when you need consistency across images. Then annotate using pen or highlighter. Change color and thickness to emphasize points because contrast directs attention. Use the ruler or protractor for straight guides and the eraser to remove stray marks. This keeps your edits clean. Once done, zoom in to inspect pixels and make tiny corrections so the final image looks professional and intentional. You finish by exporting. Save as PNG for best quality or JPG for smaller file size. Alternatively, copy to clipboard for quick pasting into documents. Make multiple versions with save as so you keep an original. This prevents accidental loss of source pixels. If the editor freezes or changes disappear, restart the app and check the clipboard history. Failing that, paste the snip into Paint or Photos to recover the image. That troubleshooting step often recovers work without complex recovery tools.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.